Gibson. I'm 78. I was got lung cancer in 2010. In 2015, I had an operation on my right hand side, left my lung, right, was removed. Since that, I have did a few activities, Tai Chi, and come along Douglas Community Centre for exercise, which I think the people who do it has helped me tremendous, right? Including special diet, special exercise, which I get at Douglas Community Centre, the Tai Chi. And I do a wee bit of gardening and things like this, so I feel good, and hopefully I could help pass on what I've went through in the last 6, maybe 7, 8 years of lung cancer. I feel the programme has helped me tremendous, and always look forward to Thursday getting up and looking forward to coming to the gym and doing my exercise, right? And the company, the people that do it with the rest of us, they're actually wonderful people. Before I was diagnosed as that, I was a football coach for 40 years, right? And I think myself, with being a kind of fit man, it kind of helped me through this tough period with lung cancer. You could only do so much, right? And you get tired. I'm not admitting that, but it's a good tired. A good tired. You can sleep easy. As I say, I always look forward to coming on a Thursday, whether it's Laura or Margaret, right? They are so wonderful, right? They let you do your own thing, you know. If you're struggling on things, come over and explain things. I would recommend anybody on this program.